Hi, this is Chelsea from PurpleAir. I'm going to be showing you how to replace the laser counter in your Classic Plus. You'll need your sensor. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, either a little thin ruler or a pair of tweezers will work. And you'll need your replacement laser counter. You're going to start by removing this screw. Then you'll take this plastic tab and pull it straight out. I kind of keep my thumb right on this edge to block the ring from coming out as well. You'll pull out the laser counters, set your bracket off to the side. When unplugging the ribbon cable out of the laser counter, get as close to the connector as possible and just pull straight. Put your old laser counter off to the side. If you look at your ribbon cable, you'll notice you can see metal on one side. The other side is solid white, and then the ends have holes in them. In the connector, there's little pins. You want to make sure that you have it lined up exactly. The side with the metal pins should be showing. So I want to make sure that I have the one that's closest to the USB. And then I line it up and plug it into the bottom one. And I'll take my tweezers or my skinny ruler. If you're using tweezers, make sure you push them together. And then just push on that little white connector to make sure it's plugged in tight. Then you'll take your other ribbon cable, making sure that the metal is facing up. And line it up, push it in, take your tweezers, make sure it's plugged in tight. Then the side of the laser counter that has the barcodes is where this plastic bracket will go. You'll notice that it just sits in between. Then you take your laser counters. You'll notice there's grooves in this plastic piece for the corners of the laser counters. So barcode facing towards this outer bracket. If you have a hard time getting it in, pull it back out. You can adjust the ribbon cable. I can see that all the holes are lined up now. I usually start just by hand tightening it, and then I will finish with the screwdriver, and then you're finished. Thank you for watching.